In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spend out of savings in Monarch Money. If you're looking to manage your finances effectively, knowing how to track and categorize your expenses is key. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to access your Monarch Money account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and navigate to the Transactions tab. In this section, you can keep an eye on all your financial activity, and it's where the magic of budgeting truly begins. You'll find a comprehensive list of your recent transactions laid out neatly. If you're not familiar with this interface, take a few moments to explore and get comfortable with it. Next, you'll want to click on the specific transaction amount that corresponds to what you've spent from your savings. Simply locate the transaction and click on the amount. This action will open up the details of the transaction and allow you to make necessary edits. Now, it's time to input the name of the merchant. This is the store or service provider where you made the purchase. Entering the merchant's name helps you keep track of where and on what you are spending your money. This could be particularly useful when reviewing your financial habits at the end of the month. After entering the merchant information, let's move on to selecting the date. Click on the date field to choose the exact day this transaction took place. Accurately recording the date can provide insights into your spending patterns, such as recurring expenses or even impulse buys. Once the date is set, the next step is to choose the account you used for this transaction. This step is crucial because it helps ensure your savings account reflects an accurate balance. Under the account section, make sure to select the correct account from which the funds were actually spent. Creating a new category comes next. You'll want to click on the option to create a new category. By doing this, you can customize your spending categories to better align with your financial goals and organizational preferences. It's a straightforward way to tailor your budget to fit your life. When you create the category, go ahead and type savings into the category field. This will allow Monarch Money to associate this transaction with your savings account, improving the accuracy of your financial tracking and oversight. You'll then need to choose a group for this category. Selecting the appropriate group ensures that your transactions are organized in a way that makes sense to you. It helps in visualizing your expenses in reporting tools and budget overviews. Finally, remember to click on Save. This action records all the changes you've made. It's the last but pivotal step to ensure that everything you've inputted is locked in and reflected in your account records. Saving your work allows for seamless tracking and aids in constructing a clear and concise overview of your financial activities. And there you have it. Whether you're an experienced Monarch Money user or just starting out, following these steps can help you keep tabs on spending from your savings account. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain control over your finances and work towards your financial goals with clarity and confidence.